Hi, my name is Jonathan and I'm 11 years old and I'm going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I got my Rubik's Cube for my birthday just about a month ago and within 24 hours I had solved it for the very first time. As of now I've solved it 106 times and from that I thought that I would be able to teach you how to solve one as well. Just to prove that I know what I'm doing and that I've solved a Rubik's Cube at least once, I'm going to solve the cube right now. As you can see, the cube is scrambled, so I'm going to solve it.
Gentlemen, start your engine.
By the way, my record for solving a Rubik's Cube is about 3 minutes and 4 seconds.